Hi everyone, Krug's here from AcetradingTrading. If you're serious about trading and looking for an edge, then you're in the right place. Today, we introduce to you ACE breaking point bars. These are the ultimate game changer for traders looking to capitalize on price action like never before. Take a look at this action. Clean, precise, and built for high performance trading. These bars are specifically designed to highlight key breaking points in the market. They allow traders to see momentum shifts with absolute clarity. So you can see these pinpoint breakouts. It identifies momentum. It also stays ahead of the market. These are bars that you must have. So what makes ACE breaking point bars so powerful? Unlike traditional time-based or tick-based bars, such as Ninja Renko, Ace Renko, and other ones like that, these bars adapt to price action itself, giving traders a clearer view of the market structure and momentum shifts. Here is why you need these in your arsenal. It captures market momentum. Okay, so let's have a look here. We can zoom out and we can see where the momentum is occurring. It filters out noise, so you can see that it just pivots at the right time and shows us some really good, some trends that we can trade. Okay, it's also perfect for breakouts. So you can see here these pivot points all line up, and you could probably draw a line here of support and resistance. Okay, so great for breakout trades. You can see it broke out, reversed back to the line, and then took a really nice short trade down here, and then returned all the way back up to that support and resistance. Okay, it's ideal for scalping and swing trading, so you can use it for both. And the speed and flexibility just allows us to adjust. So by adjusting the settings, we can match any strategy. Now let's break down exactly how these bars are made and why they look different from traditional candlesticks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull up our ACE breaking point configuration. So we're going to configure, and we're going to head down to ACE breaking point. So here we have our options. I'm just going to add a few options so you can see. So we're going to be using a speed setting. So unlike standard bars that are printed on fixed time or set number of ticks, these bars are formed based upon market momentum and volatility. Okay, this allows them to naturally adapt to market conditions instead of forcing arbitrary closing times and so forth. So we're able to put in a time, okay, and then that way it forms onto the screen, and then we can use that as an option. So let's move that up so it's in order. We can apply that, and we can adjust based upon time. So I like to use a breaking point value of 10 for NQ, and then it's different for different instruments, because each instrument has obviously different tick sizes and so forth. So we want to look at the momentum differently. Okay. Also, I wanted to talk a bit about why the big wicks. Okay, some of the questions we do get about these bars are, why do we have some of these big wicks and some of them have no wicks at all? Okay, you'll often notice large wicks on these bars is because they are designed to capture price extremes before confirming the next move. Okay, so you can see that there is some extremities here, and then it tends to get into our momentum shift. Okay, or we can bounce off, go with the trend. Okay, these wicks help traders spot fake breakouts, strong rejections, and hidden liquidity zones that traditional bars might miss. Okay, why do some bars look different? Okay, so some bars print smaller bodies, while other bars have larger ranges. This is because the bar formation reacts dynamically to momentum shifts and pullbacks. Okay, it takes that into account when forming these bars. Okay, so strong trend bars confirm momentum, while small body bars signal hesitation or reversal. Okay, so you can see here we have some strong bars, and then we tend to have a couple of small ones because there is a bit of hesitation in the market there. Okay, so these bars also have a built-in Heikin-Ashi style calculation. Okay, this way we can actually find these trends a bit easier. So each bar is smoothed using the Heikin-Ashi principles, so those calculations are embedded. This helps traders see the true directional bias. Okay, it removes a lot of the whipsaw action, that chop, that you do see with standard candlesticks, making trend detection much easier. Before I move on to the next point, I just wanted to point out that you can see on the screen that I've actually loaded up our chart trader. So this will be an indicator available on our website in the future. It's a great tool for traders to manually trade, the charts. You're able to sync your ATM strategies, close all market entry positions. You can have bracket order stop orders, so they put both long and short orders in at the same time. You can also put limit orders on, and you can choose the amount of ticks and so forth. And obviously we have our little logos on there to identify that these are our indicators that are being released. So they are coming in the near future, so please stay tuned for that. Okay, I wanted to zoom out here to show you some different examples of how I would trade these bar types manually. So we obviously have bots that are going to be available for these ace breaking point bars, but you can also trade them manually. Okay, so notice how these bars adjust dynamically. Okay, they make it easier to spot trend reversals, strong momentum moves, and precise breakout entries. Okay, so if you're able to put a couple of drawing tools on here, so we obviously let's pull up a horizontal line, you're able to identify some real key points here. So you can see price is just about to hit this support line. I've drawn it on there because it's hit it once here, twice, 3 times, 4 times pretty much, 5 times, push through, and you can see here price is either going to bounce or it's going to push through. So I like to draw these lines on here. I could probably draw another one here, I could probably draw another one up the top here. They could even be zones. So another thing you can do is you can also obviously look at your regions, okay, and we're looking at the y-axis regions, and you may even want to go, okay, here's a bit of a chop zone, and we want to stay out of this area here. Okay, so you can even find zones like that, and these bars allow us to easily do that. Okay, it allows us to trade with confidence, adapt to market conditions, okay, and maximize our profits. You can see here price, if I zoom in, price literally hit that support line as I drew it, came down perfectly off it, and now it's just reversed. So that is an easy breakout trade that I could do, and then I could ride that trend all the way up into this consolidation zone, and then decide whether I want to take my profits or continue on with that. These bars aren't just another tool. They are a competitive edge that we like to give to our members. Okay, the market doesn't wait, neither should you. Okay, if you're still using outdated bar types that don't give you a real sense of price movement, you're leaving money on the table. Okay, so these bar types are essential to have in your arsenal and into your trading toolbox. Okay, so please update your charts and upgrade your trading. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and visit acetradingbots.com to get your hands on ace breaking point bars today. And I'll see you in the markets.